This is a quick demonstration on how to start the engine on the PK0913DD 2.8-inch direct drive chipper shredder. This unit has the Kohler 6.5 horsepower RH265. First thing you want to do is check the yellow dipstick and make sure you have sufficient amount of oil. Also make sure you have sufficient amount of fuel. And the first thing you want to do is turn this lever, and what that does, it allows fuel to get to the carburetor. Now this is a one lever operation here, so if you push it all the way to the left, that turns on the choke. And this also works as a throttle lever. So this will be full throttle. Moving it to the right will make it idle, and then all the way to the right again would stop the engine. So since it is a cold start, we'll turn it on all the way to the left to choke on. Confirm that this is in line with the fuel line, and then let's give it a pull. As you can see, when the engine was started, the choke automatically turned off and it went to full throttle. From there, I moved it over to idle to let it warm up. Once you're all done with the unit, shut off the engine. You would just move this yellow lever to stop. And then you would also turn off the fuel to the carburetor.